y'all. Hold on. So I did my makeup. I'm sorry I didn't come back on live. I post saying that I was going live on my beauty page. For people who don't know, I posted it's Crowned by Dawn Marie. But I just want to come on here to show y'all how the look turned out. So this is the look. I got my little ring light in here. But this is the look that I just did on my live on my beauty page. So y'all make sure y'all go in there and check it out. I also gave some little tips and stuff, some little tricks. But go on there and watch that. I also talked about the hair that I have in my head. As y'all know, I had posted on my story that I got this hair from Amazon. It's so soft, y'all. Like, it don't tangle. I plucked the wig yesterday. So I plucked the edges part, and then I had wore it in a bun. I wore it in a bun at work today, but I was just like, you know what? New hair. I haven't done no makeup in a while. Let me go ahead and just do some tutorial on like a little simple. I would say this is more like a simple everyday look. Yeah, simple everyday look. If you want to go to work. I'm sorry, I keep looking at myself in my mirror like, damn, girl, you so fine. I'm sorry. Just keep looking at myself. But, yeah, this is like a simple everyday look for like work and everything. And like this is one of the looks I'm going to teach in my upcoming class. So if you like this look and you want to learn it, this is a look that I'm going to teach in my class, one of my classes. Oh, Lord, I got to lose this weight. But yeah, this is one of the looks. If y'all like this look, heart it. Come on, give me some hearts. But I just did this look on live on my beauty page, Crowned by Dawn Marie. I just did this look. I bleached the knots about this wig. I know, right? I look totally right. This is when I clean myself up and I actually want to like look decent. This is when I want to clean myself up. But see, y'all fellas, y'all gotta be careful. Even though I don't think I look bad without makeup and big hair and all that stuff, but you see what weave and makeup could transform into. Now just picture if my body was banging. It will be over for you. But anyway, I bleached the knots on this wig. I didn't color it. I just bleached the knots. And then I plucked it. I plucked the edges to make them look more, not too, too thick. And this is the hair dry. So it's not even wet, it's dry. And it's 130 density. But y'all see how big it is? So I was just thinking like, dang, if it's 130, and I actually like the feeling like it might look big a lot, but it's like really not. Like, it's really not. But so yeah, I bleached the knots, I plucked it, and I just wore it in a bun when I went to work today. And yeah, this wig was $179. Yes, $179 from Amazon, and it's on Prime. So for anybody who's trying to go outside this weekend like I am, for anybody who's trying to show out this weekend like I am, and y'all in need of a wig. And with this coronavirus and everything that's going on, we can't really trust AliExpress and China like that. You know what I'm saying? We can't even hardly, trust Amazon because, people from Amazon is getting coronavirus. But for anybody who's looking for a quick wig, I'm going to post where I got my wig from on my story. I think they got a few more in stock. So y'all better hurry up and get it, cash out, because these bitches out here are getting a hope to where to get good, cheap hair from. So yeah, this whole wig, it's just lace around here, and then there's like tracks in the middle. But you can park it. You can park it as well. Hold on. Sorry, I don't want to mess up my little curls I got going on. But okay, so this is one of the parts. This is from me bleaching the knots. So you see how really good. I have a cap under here too, so it probably give it that real effect too. Because I did the ball method cap, so I have a little cap under here, and my braids are braided flat. Shout out to my sister Shay Michelle for braiding the sister hair down so I can achieve this look. But y'all, when I tell y'all, please, let me tell y'all, keep y'all men in the house because I'm going outside this weekend and I'm snatching. A girl is single. I'm snatching. I was just playing. No, I'm not. I was just playing. No, I'm not. No, I'm not even that type of person. I'm not even going, no, I'm not. I'm not snatching nobody. I am single, but I'm not snatching nobody, man. That's not me. No. But I just wanted to come on here and show y'all the effects. As my friend Nick would say, the Crown by Dawn Marie effect. She got her hair, she did her hair, she did her makeup. Now, girl, sis, you better, look, I sent you this link. What, 2-3 hours ago? I sent you that link 2-3 hours ago. You better go order it now before it be out of stock. 2 days. So if you order it now, it should get here either, sometimes it'll probably get here on Friday depending on where you live. But if you order it now, you can probably get it on Friday or Saturday. If you order it now. But I sent you that link hours ago. You better. This is how long it is. So this is I ain't got no booty, y'all, sorry. But this is a 26-inch. I had cut it just a little bit because it was a little straggly. So I just cut the little straggly line. So it's probably 24 now, but this is a 26-inch. I rock 24s, but I always get it like an inch higher because I know I'm going to cut some off. So I want, so I always get so this is a 26. And yeah. This is how it looks in the back, the curl pattern. And it's 130 density, but it's seam full, but it feels so good. It don't feel too thick and too overwhelming. It don't feel too thick or overwhelming. I had to see what it was looking like. I'm indicator. It said Saturday. How long was it? Almost short. Okay, you ordered it now. How long will the hair last? Well, I'm very good at maintaining my hair. So, the wig that I had on a couple of days ago, I've had that wig since last year. And I'm really good at keeping up with my stuff. So when I don't wear the wig no more, I wash it and condition it, and then I put it up. I wrap it up and just place it for when I want to wear it another time. So I'm really good at, and I don't wear wigs for a long time. Y'all see I always switch up my hair. So my wigs last a long time because I like to switch it up. I like to switch it up a lot. So my wigs get to last a long time. But fellas, if you want your girl to look like a new, you want her to look somewhat new, I'm telling you, go on Amazon, order her wig. She'll be happy. She'll be the happiest woman. Go on Amazon and order that wig. I'm gonna put the story, since you better go on Amazon and click buy now, because as you see, they're getting low on stock. So, okay. But I just wanted to come in here and show you guys. I'm very hyped. I'm very hyped up. I'm a little too hyped at that. But this is when I put it up in a bun. It was so cute today when I put it up in a bun. Well, it's a little messy, but I'm able to put it all up in a bun. And this is how I wore it to work today. And it is glued on. But, and I use, do I have the glue in here? Nope, it's in the room. But I use Bold Hold. So this is how it looks up. Oh, my knees. Oh, this is how it looks up in the ponytail. I'm gonna wear it, well, it's not gonna be messy like that, but it's gonna be more like secure. But this is how it looks up in the ponytail. That's how I'm gonna wear it to work tomorrow, because of the rain. But anywho, y'all gonna be seeing pictures, so I'm just preparing y'all. Y'all gonna be seeing pictures. I'm just preparing y'all. So if y'all don't want these pictures, y'all better unfollow me, because I love curly. Curly hair make me feel some type, like, it give me that, like, curly hair give me that black unease. You know what I'm saying? That, I be feeling myself. But anywho, I just come on here to show y'all this hair and my makeup. And for anybody who wants to watch the tutorial, go on my beauty page, Crown by Dawn Marie. Go on my beauty page to watch this video. And I'm going to watch the video of me doing this makeup look and catch my story so y'all can see where to get this hair from. Again, it's only $179. And this was a 26-inch boo-boo. I'm just playing. Okay, I'm about to go. I gotta eat. I'm about to go. Hold on, wait. I'm a guy, so I don't understand all the girl stuff. But it doesn't look like a wig. Oh, thank you, Craig. Thank you. I try my best to make sure it doesn't, like, look like a wig. Because, you know what I'm saying? I want a dude to walk up to me at the grocery store and be like, damn, she look cute or whatever. Like, shit, like, ooh, and she got good hair. Like, you know, like, even though I do have good hair under my head, but, you know, to be like, damn, shawty looking good. She got good hair. Like, is that her hair? Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be like, oh, that's a wig. Shawty got a wig. Like, I want to be like, damn, is that, like, shawty must be mixed with Indian or Chinese or something. I don't know. I just want him to, like, damn, she looking good. But, yeah. So, I might do a tutorial or show you guys how I pluck my wigs in the front and how I also lay my wigs down. So I might do that. But y'all make sure y'all follow my page so y'all can see the details. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.